Splash was an average dog. She went
Wolf.
and
Wolf. GRRR.
then she ate some alphabet soup, and what happened was bizarre.
On the way to Splash's stomach, the letters lost their way. They traveled to her brain and now
She got a lot to say. Now she speaks.
How now, brown cow?
Splash speaks. Yeah, she speaks and speaks and speaks and speaks and speaks.
What's a caboose? What are we eating again? Hey, Joe Wade, I know.
My name's not Joe.
She's not always right, but still, that Splash speaks.
Hi there.
She's got a voice. She's ready to shout. Splash will tell you what it's all about. Sometimes wrong but seldom in doubt. Splash will tell you what it's all about. That dog is unique.
Testing. 1, 2.
Hear her speak. Splash speaks and speaks and speaks and speaks and
Communicates, enumerates, elucidates, exaggerates, indicates, and explicates, bloviates and overstates and yay, hyperventilates. Splash speaks. Mercy's sneeze problem. Hello, welcome my friends here. Oh, come in. Oh, hi Mercy. Hi, do you have a sneezy problem? Yes, don't worry.
I'm going to the store to buy some new pets. Oh, who are you guys?
I'm Splash.
I'm Dama. I'm Thomas.
I'm Drizzle.
I'm Floof Dog. I'm Fandom.
I'm Porto. Okay, I'm going to adopt you. Let's go. Hi Boilingo. I would like to buy a pack of 7 dogs, thank you.
you're welcome, and have a nice day.
Now I got the new 7-pack of dogs. Now I'm going to pet them.
Yay, I stopped sneezing. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. To dig up some more fun words and games, visit Duolingo Junior or check out your local library for the Splash Speaks books.
This is Duolingo channel.